Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test, and this is part 2. That was 4, this is 2, part 2 of our flight test of the new Fms Asw-17 powered glider. So, done one video of this already, flew really well, maiden flight, so I was a bit tentative with it. But what I wanted to show in this video, before we actually get it in the air, you get it in the box pretty much like this, but you can also use this as the storage box as well, which is nice, isn't it? So you get no hanger rash going to and from the field. The one thing that you do need to do is to cut just that recess in the back of the box so that it fits in like that. So let's go through the steps to put this together. Now you notice that the rudder just clicks into the back, and then you hook it up with the push rod to the servo. Easily done. Then next step, we put the horizontal stabilizer elevator in place. So we just do that, make sure that is engaged, job done. And then we would need to hook up the push rod to the horn. Then next step, you get these aluminium rods and you put these in. Then each of the wings, and you'll notice, can you see underneath you got the 2 catches, that's to release the wing, but otherwise to put it on you just slide it on. Like so. You hear it click into position, and then put the other wing on. And again, that reassuring click, you know it's engaged, and that you would take the wings off by pulling together the 2 catches underneath. And that is it, job done. That is literally how it comes in the box. So all I need to do now is to put my receiver in, put my LiPo battery in, I'm ready to go. Okay, we're set. LiPo's on board. It's a 4S 2200. You can go up to a 2600 for longer flight time, but I suppose 2200, keeping it slightly lighter. Let's power it up, let's do some aerobatics. So there you go, that's the FMS 2.5 metre Asw-17. Really did chuck it around as hard as I could then. I was on the power a lot of the time. I really wanted to get max speed and pull some big G's with it, and it was a lot of fun. Pretty aerobatic for a glider. You know, rolls are slow, relatively slow compared to other, you know, fixed wing aerobatic models, but that's the challenge, to try and get the best out of a glider like this when you're flying it. So thanks very much for watching this Essential RC flight test. Thanks to Jason on camera again.
No worries, as always.
And we'll see you soon for another Essential RC flight test. Thanks for watching.